Alright guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, I'm going to give you a little bit of update on two vehicles. One, the 56 Buick, and also the 71 Chevy truck. So I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so it's been a little while since we've talked about this car. Here's what's been going on with it. You saw me take the brake booster and the master out of the car, and if you look down there, it's still out. Now I have water dripping on the camera. Let me go inside and I'll show you. So it's still out of the car. So here's what's been going on with it. Here's what the deal is. We ordered a new one, and we had to do it mail order because we couldn't find one locally. And it finally came in, and I put it in, and it leaked. So we had to take it back out again and ship it back to the company we got it from. And I don't know if they're going to repair it or just send us another one, but so that's what's going on with that. So this car is going to be a little bit before we get on the brakes again. So anyway, let's go check out the 71 Chevy pickup. All right, there's the Blazer. You might remember that from some previous episodes. And then here's the 71 Chevy truck. So it's come a long way since you saw it last. A lot of it is wet sanded now. If you look at the fender, you see it's got a dull hue. It's been wet sanded in preparation to be buffed out. This whole side down here has been wet sanded. We actually did the top of the door just as kind of a test, and it looks fantastic. The paint is super flat, and it's got really good shine to it. So that's going to look nice. The roof is wet sanded out as well. But a lot of the front end is being put on it right now. I don't think the doors were on it last time. So we got those on it, and they're looking, really good. Fenders and everything are looking good. There's a ton of fitment that goes on with these things, and it takes a long time to do this stuff. So I haven't filmed a ton of it, but we've still been working on it. So yeah, it's looking really good. Let me just lower the hood here a little bit for you. A few water spots on it, but that's been sanded as well, so that's ready to go. To get all buffed out. This truck's got disc brakes on the front. Definitely coming along here. The dash has been painted. The dash pad is on. The rubber in the doors are on. The doors are put back together. See the glass is in it, the weather stripping. They close pretty nice. They're a little tight yet because the weather stripping is so fresh, but they close nice. Got one spot we have to touch up right here. Let me get back here a little bit. You can get a little bit further back view. So it's looking good. we'll walk around the Buick one more time. I just love this car. I think it is so cool. You know, it's in such great shape. I was really hoping the Master and Booster were going to be working so we could drive it and, you know, see what else is going on with it. But, you know, that's the thing with aftermarket stuff, I guess. You know, you end up put it in, take it out, put it in, take it out. I've got something coming up with my Super Bee. My turn signal cancel cam broke in the column, so when you turn right it doesn't cancel. So I did a bunch of research and finally decided to go a certain way on that, and we'll see if that works out or not. I haven't gotten it yet. You know, everybody said a lot of the ones that you got out of the big box catalogs were super cheap and didn't work worth a darn, so I avoided that. I found a individual guy who made some, so they're new, so we'll see if that works out. You know, the only other choice is NOS. The nice thing about NOS is that you know they're going to work really well. The downside is they're all like 50 years old, so you know, are you going to end up with the same thing where the plastic breaks again? So anyway, so that's where we're at on that. I'll do a video when that comes in, and we'll do some other work to that car as well. It's always something with the maintenance, you know, you gotta just keep doing the maintenance so they don't fall apart. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update. I know I did, and I'm excited to see some of these things move on, you know, or keep moving through their process. So we'll take one little interior look again as well. Hey guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address below. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. All right, on today's episode, we're going to give you a little bit of a... No. All right, now we're going to walk in through the door here. All right,